Careful, sweetie. Amor. Amor. Time for snacky. Woohoo! Senta. Oh. Why, if you have so little time, do you do all these crazy side projects? Well, that's because it all serves a bigger purpose. We'll get back to the association soon. I heard you guys are excited to know what it's about. But besides the association, I'm gonna need your help, guys. Well, it's also sort of intertwined with the association. So, on the website I made a new item, Join Our Team. And it contains, for now, 3 opportunities to join our team. I might not need your help in directly fulfilling these opportunities, but I need your help in spreading the message. So if any of these opportunities doesn't resonate with you directly, maybe you know people in your community, or family, or nephews, or anybody basically who might be interested in one of these job opportunities. The first one is a chef. Well, you don't need to be really a chef, but you need to be able to cook for more people. This is for now a voluntary opportunity. I want a chef, so we'll be able to give our volunteers like at least 1 or maybe even 2 meals a day. And we're gonna need a chef for that because I'm way too busy to do other stuff. And I want to offer the volunteers that are coming here a meal or 2. So like I said, the position is voluntary, but you get a place to stay here with all the facilities in the ghost town. You'll be cooking in this kitchen for now. You can use the mini building, or we also have a shipping container down on the other land for your accommodation. And for next year, when we start the association, there will be projects that are done by the association that involves cooking. And at that point we can see also if maybe you can earn some money with doing these projects for the association. But for the first couple of months it will be completely voluntary. If you're interested in one of these jobs, check out the website ghosttownvlogs.com. And also on my Instagram and on my Facebook I share these messages. So if you have Facebook or Instagram, you can share them if you think people in your community might be interested in coming to help us out here. The second opportunity I have is for an assistant, a Portuguese assistant. I need somebody who can translate documents for me and go to meetings and in general get information about how things are done in Portugal through the internet or through calling with the municipal or the junta. Somebody who assists me in getting things done faster because they speak Portuguese. For now it's a half-time job for 20 hours a week and for basic Portuguese salary. So in this case I'm putting 500 euros for 20 hours a week. You should live nearby because you need to join me to meetings in Castelo Branco, and I also want you to be here on site for at least 2 days a week so we can discuss things. If you are really interested in this job but you live further away, there might also be a possibility that you can stay in the ghost town for a couple of days a week. So if you're interested and that's a limitation, please also get in touch. And then the third one is one you guys already know because a couple of months ago I've been repeating it in the videos also that we need a video editor. And we still need one. For this opportunity though, we want somebody with at least some experience in editing videos. And I can pay you 500 euro a month for the first 3 months. And if it all goes well, then after that I'm willing to split the revenues from the YouTube channels with you. And then together we can make it grow faster. And I think within 6 to 9 months you should be able to have a proper salary from that if we put in the time and attention together. You can also stay here. So besides the 500 euros, I'm also offering accommodation and facilities. So if you look at the cost of that, normally it would also be around 4, maybe even 500. Yeah, like I said, you need to have some experience in editing videos. If you don't have any experience in editing videos and this sounds interesting to you, then keep an eye on this channel, because within a couple of weeks I might have a sort of a video editor's course specifically for editing my videos, and you can try out if maybe video editing is something for you. But for now we need somebody with a little bit of experience. Also this one, if you're interested, check the website and shoot me a message. info@ghosttownvlogs.com. It's the easiest way. On with more exciting stuff, like Christmas lights.
I think it's so interesting, this stuff.
It's definitely interesting
Yeah.
because
Maybe it should go a bit higher. Only I'm very done with this rain for today. So I wanted to say it looks like human trenches, because I thought it was the piggies. But the piggies don't cut the cacti that that neatly cut. This one looks maybe like a piggy, but this one definitely does not look like a piggy. The funny thing was, I was walking down there next to the water, and I'm like, from where do I know this smell? I smelled something. And it was, after a couple of seconds of thought, I remember it was the cacti that are sort of like fermenting. So this was probably what I was smelling, like way down there. Don't know. Yeah, that must be a human trench. But then why is there only in some places a trench? Akira's grazing. Fatima has prepared the garden for winter.